I'm Sally. I'm here today to show you how to remove the old bendy doorstop and replace it with a new one. First, you unscrew the old one. Get your Phillips screwdriver and unscrew it, and it should come right on out. See how it just came right on out? So with the new one, you try to screw it back in, see if it'll screw in. If it doesn't, go ahead and use your Phillips screwdriver or your drill. Just keep doing this. So this one is working. And there you have it. Very simple. Thank you so much for watching my video. As you can see, I have been doing some construction. I actually have a video on how to remove the carpet, how to remove the carpet padding, how to remove the tack strips. So feel free to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Also, if you click on the description below, it'll take you directly to items that you can actually purchase to have this project done. This very small project that only takes not even 5 minutes. Thank you so much and have a blessed day.